How to transfer WhatsApp stickers to new phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily transfer WhatsApp stickers to your new phone. So first thing what you can do is, on your first phone or the previous phone, just make sure you have selected a particular group, and inside that group just send all of your favorite stickers like this. So once you select all of your stickers or gifts like this, what you can do is just head over to your settings by simply tapping on this three dot icon over here, and once you're inside here, just tap on chats, and from here what you can do is just scroll down until you see the chat backup option. Simply tap on it and make sure you back up this chat. So you do that, what it does is it basically keeps the stickers into your as a chat backup. So when you log into your new WhatsApp account on your new device, just make sure to restore your chat and it will automatically transfer all of the WhatsApp stickers to your new phone. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.